Well, Jo, this is very exciting because you have a brand new game show you want to debut right here for the audience. Is that true?
Yeah, I'd love to debut with the game show.
We need 3 people from the audience to participate.
Yeah.
Who wants in on this?
I got one.
We got one over there. Oh, this guy's gonna be trouble, I have a feeling. Anybody else? Two other
There's
people.
another one over there.
Someone in the back over here.
Oh, great, yes.
And Betsy over here. All right, come on up, come on up.
Game show.
I want to introduce what this
Yes.
game is here.
Okay, so this game. Hi. What, Gavin? Nice to meet
Hi,
you.
how you doing?
Hello. Hi, Betsy. Hello.
Come on up here. Come on
And
up.
no, we have another one. Yes. Hello, Bella. Hello. Okay, so you guys can stand over here. How about that? That seems nice. Okay. So what we're gonna play a game called Bird
Hold
or
on. Bird. I got a thing here. Bird.
Okay.
Bird.
Bird or Murderer or Bird Murderer, aka Birderer. So, those are really nice graphics, Scott. I think they're, especially this one. So what I'm going to do is each person gets a set.
Yeah, set of
You
cards.
okay, here you go, Betsy. And there you go, Bella. There you go, Gavin. Here we go. Okay, so what you're going to do is I'm going to say either a bird or a murderer or a birderer, and you're going to hold up what you think it is. Okay? Very simple. Does anyone have any questions? You have a question?
Murderers, are they things that murder birds, or are they birds that murder?
That's a great question. It's up to you. You pick it. Okay, here we go. All right, number 1. The Harrier. The Harrier. Bird, murderer, birderer. It is correct. It is a bird. It is a bird. I'm sorry. Yes, it's a bird. You are ahead by 1 point, both of you.
Bella and Betsy have 1 point each.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Next one. Do you understand why you were wrong?
Gavin, I'm still betting on you. Come on, come on.
Okay. Great. Okay. Next one. Beasts of Satan. Beasts of Satan. That is correct. It is a murderer group. It is a murderer group. Congratulations.
All right, still 2-2-1 here.
2-2-1. You understand why you're behind? Okay, next.
Carriers shoot other jets, by the way.
What? What does? Carriers do? Why do you think they were named that? After birds. Okay, here we go. You ready? Okay. Next one. Sparhawk. 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 It's truly bird. It's truly bird. It's not a bird murderer. I'm so sorry. It is a bird.
3-2-2. Look at this.
Okay, here we go.
Pulling
Okay.
even for second place here.
Next one. Can we get some background
Yeah.
music?
Hey, perfect.
Thank you. All right. Wait, so sorry. Can it be a little bit darker?
It's murderers.
Thank you. Okay, the Suffolk Strangler. It is in fact a murderer.
So are we tied up here?
Yeah, we're tied up here. We're tied up here.
3-3-3?
Okay, you ready? Next
Wow.
one. ConAgra. ConAgra. It is in fact a murderer. Everybody got a point.
4-4. Okay.
All right.
One more here to tie break it?
Yes.
Is it a bird?
Arthur W. Purdue. I'm so sorry, it is a bird murderer.
Bird murderer, Purdue. Oh no, we need one more to break this tie here.
Okay, here we go.
Still tied 4
Here we
across
go.
the
You
board.
ready? The Whistling Kite. That is also correct. Okay. Okay, here we go. Ready? Genzo Corrida. It is in fact a murderer.
Oh, okay, we have 2 winners here.
We have 2 winners.
They both get free tickets to your next show, is that right?
Yes, you get free tickets to Wonderland.
And Betsy's the big loser. You get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir. Well, that was fun. Gavin, Bella, Betsy. Jo Firestone, thank you so much.
So much for having
And your
me.
next show, Punderdome, when is it?
April 7th.